my name is Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple pot holder with some glitter heat transfer vinyl. Let's get cutting. So now that I have my design totally cut, the next thing that I want to do is I'm going to trim down any excess vinyl that I don't need. And I'm going to put this away. And now I can weed out this entire design. Now that we have our design totally weeded out, we are ready to move over to our heat press and apply it onto our pot holder here. So let's head over to the heat press and I'll show you how to apply it. So at this point we have our heat press on, it's at 315. I've got my pressing pillow here just because this is an uneven background with these seams and I want to make sure that I get an even press. I'm going to place my hot pad, my pot holder here in the middle. The rubber side you want to be facing down, and then I'm going to place my design right in the middle of wherever I want to adhere my vinyl to. So I'm just going to position that right here in the middle, and then I'm going to give it a press. And I'm going to press it for about 15 seconds. And then once I have that totally pressed, I can peel up the carrier sheet. And I'm going to press it one more time just to make sure that it gets a good seal on there. And now I've got the cutest little pot holder that I can gift as a gift. I can put a little some cookies, or I can put a little utensil or something like that, and it's ready to go. Thanks so much for being here. I can't wait to see what types of things you decide to put on your pot holders, and I'll see you next time. Bye.